Hey, Street Smart fam, quick heads up. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is purely educational. Always do your own research and consult a pro before pulling the trigger on any investment. If you've got $20, $50, or $200 burning a hole in your pocket, you might be asking, can I actually make crypto work on a tight budget? Stick around because today we're breaking down how to dip your toes into crypto without getting played. Here's the playbook for the next 5 minutes. Why small bets in crypto can still win big. The budget-friendly platforms you need on your radar. Tactics to stretch every dollar and dollar cost average like a boss. Risk controls to keep you from losing your shirt one. Why small bets still matter. Flashback to 2010. Bitcoin was free to mine. Today you can snag fractions of BTC or ETH for under $1. That means crypto isn't just for whales or venture funds, it's for anyone who can press buy. Even a $50 allocation can compound over time. For example, if you'd invested $50 in Ethereum in early 2017, you'd be sitting on over $8,000 at its peak. While past performance isn't a guarantee, the takeaway is clear. Small stakes can unlock serious upside if you play it right. 2. Budget-friendly platforms. Not all exchanges treat your dollars equally. Here are 4 you need to know. Coinbase, super intuitive, educational guides, but watch the 0.5% to 1.5% spread on tiny trades. Cash App, zero commission buys on Bitcoin, automatic recurring purchases, perfect for $5 to $10 buys. Binance.us, rock bottom fees, 0.1% per trade, wide altcoin selection, but a steeper learning curve. Kraken, low spreads, robust security, and staking rewards. Ideal when you're ready to scale past $100. Pro tip, always compare the spread, deposit minimums, and withdrawal fees before you commit. Even a few dollars in hidden costs can erode your gains when you're trading small. 3. Tactics to stretch. Every dollar stretching your crypto dollar isn't about timing the market, it's about consistency. 1. Dollar cost averaging. Automate a fixed buy, say $10 weekly, so you never sweat the market's ups and downs. 2. Round up apps. Services like Change Invest automatically round your purchases up to the nearest dollar and dump the spare change into crypto. 3. Micro earning. Apps like Sweatcoin reward your steps in tokens you can swap for crypto. Turn your daily grind into on-chain gains. By using these hacks, you build your position without feeling a pinch, and you eliminate emotional buying or panic selling. 4. Earning yield on micro balances. You've heard of staking and yield farming, but can you play DeFi on $50? Totally. Here's how. Centralized staking. Coinbase and Kraken offer 1.86% to 6% APY on ETH or DOT with no gas wars. DeFi on layer 2, protocols like Aave on Polygon or Arbitrum let you lock small balances for 8% to 12% yields, and gas fees are pennies. Liquidity pools on PancakeSwap or QuickSwap can pay double-digit yields, but start with $25 to test the waters and keep an eye on impermanent loss. Always run the math. If you pay 20 cents in gas to earn $1 monthly, you're still ahead. But if fees eat 50% of your yield, take a step back. 5. Risk, controls, and pitfalls to avoid. Even a small stake needs protection. Skip get rich quick tokens promising 100% APR. Those are often pump and dump traps. Keep 10% of your crypto in stable coins, USDC, USDT, for dry powder when coins dip. Use a hardware or secure software wallet if you're holding beyond a week. Set profit targets and stop loss rules. For example, take 50% off the table if your small bet doubles. By having clear entry and exit rules, you lock gains and shield your mindset from FOMO or panic. Conclusion and call to action. So is crypto on a budget worth it? If you approach it like any other financial tool with research, consistency, and bulletproof risk controls, the answer is yes. You don't need thousands of dollars to get in on the revolution. You just need a plan and the right platforms. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a Street Smart Finance drop. Drop a comment. Which budget-friendly crypto hack will you try first? Then grab your Wear Your Wealth merch link in the description. Reppin' your legacy never looks so fresh. Follow us on Twitter at Penny Stopow. Cop some exclusive gear at zazzle.com/store/StreetSmartInvestor. Until next time, keep stacking smart and keep it street.